experienced sleepless nights worrying about the forex rates? And are these rates eating into your business profits? If yes, then this is the video for you. Today, we will discuss why forex risk management is crucial, the popular hedge instruments, and industry best hedge practices. So, why do we need forex management? Adverse moves in the currency can wipe out a company's business profit margins, making it critical to protect these margins and avoid speculating on forex rates. Hedging your forex exposure removes the uncertainty with respect to the rates and makes your business profits immune to adverse currency movements. Let's now understand what forex hedging is. Forex hedging reduces the uncertainty and protects from adverse currency movements through a well-defined system. Now, there are two kinds of hedging, mandatory and systematic. Mandatory hedging involves immediately hedging whatever exposure comes your way. That is, hedging on the same day as your exposure origination date. Now, this is an extremely conservative method, usually implemented by businesses with low profit margins. Now, the second is systematic hedging, which involves following a risk management system of clear and well-defined rules that focus on protecting your business benchmarks and budget rates. Systematic hedging allows profits to be dictated by business strategies and not by the volatile currency fluctuations. Now that we've understood what forex hedging is, let's move on to understanding what the popular hedge instruments are. So, forwards and futures are the most commonly used hedge instruments among MSMEs and corporates. A forward contract is a contract to sell or buy a currency at a rate agreed today for delivery at a predetermined future date or time period. The forward rate is equal to spot rate plus the forward premium or spot rate minus the forward discount. Now, these forward premiums are also known as forward points or swap points. And these premiums and discounts are calculated using the interest rate parity principle, which luckily you won't have to, as my ForexEye mobile application does that for you. Now, the major difference between the forwards and futures is that forwards are traded on the OTC markets and futures are traded on the exchange. Let's take a look at the My ForexEye mobile application now. So this is the main screen of the app. Here you can see the live interbank forex rates for all the major currencies. Now, when you tap on a currency pair, you are redirected to the forward calendar. Now, this shows you the live forward rates for the next 365 days for both import and export side. Now, suppose I want to know the forward rate for 30th of November. So, I scroll down, I tap on the date and I scroll down further and I'm taken to the pricing breakup. Now, this pricing breakup shows me all the individual components of the forward rate. That is the spot rate, the forward premium, and the bank margin. And this will help me better negotiate with the bank. So, this is how my ForexEye application saves you all the hassle of knowing what the interest rate parity is, how the rates are calculated, because you can get all of these things at your fingertips. The next most commonly used hedge instrument is options. So options give you the right but not an obligation to buy and sell a currency at a predetermined exchange rate and maturity. Let's understand some key terminologies related to options. So call option gives the option buyer the right to buy a particular currency. And a put option gives the option buyer the right to sell a particular currency. And the buy rate fixed while buying a call option and the sell rate fixed while buying a put option is known as the strike price. And the upfront cost that we pay for buying an option is known as the option premium. And the act of claiming your right to buy or sell a currency at the end of the expiry is called exercising your option. So if the spot at maturity is favorable for you, that is, for example, the strike price of your put option, that is the rate fixed by you to sell a currency, is higher than the spot at maturity, you will exercise your option and effectively sell at the rate fixed by you. On the other hand, If the spot at maturity is unfavorable for you, you will not exercise the option and convert your forex exposure at the market rate. Now, let's look at one of the industry best hedge practices used by MSMEs and corporates, wherein we create a system around the first day forward rate. The first day forward rate is the forward rate at the time of exposure origination, and this rate is used as the benchmark for making hedge decisions. A take profit and stop loss level is set according to your risk appetite, that is your risk taking capacity. So if you are risk averse, you'll set conservative percentage targets, and if you're a risk taker, you'll set aggressive targets. Let's first understand the methodology for exporters and then move on to importers. So the objective for exporters is to maximize the forward rate through iterative and vigilant market tracking. So if the forward rate is at or above the take profit level, we hedge. And if the forward rate is at or below the stop loss level, we hedge to cap any further losses. An analysis done by the MyForexSci research team showed that exporters should set conservative targets since forward premium received by them is usually more than the rupee weakening. Now let's look at the case for importers. So the objective for importers is that the forward booking is timed so that the hedge cost is reduced. So if the forward rate is at or below the take profit level, we will hedge. And if the forward rate is at or above the stop loss level, we will hedge to cap any further losses. The same analysis done earlier showed that exporters should set aggressive percentage parameters, since historically it's seen that importers can reduce their hedge cost. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it insightful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to MyForexSci's YouTube channel and download the MyForexSci mobile application for live interbank forward rates, curated research reports and much more. Link is in the description.